If you are still uploading videos directly to public, that is the reason you are not getting the views that your video deserves. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your video, publish your video, generate more watch time from your videos using tags and keywords strategically, and how to set up your channel the right way. Sit tight and then let's do this together. Meeting me for the first time, this is Build and Brand with Quick, and in this channel I help creators 0 to 5k subscribers to grow, build and monetize their account by laying the right foundation so they don't get burnt out and keep rebuilding and rebuilding. So if this sounds like you, why not hit that like button, drop me a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Number one, how to upload your videos to YouTube. This is the YouTube Studio mobile app, and this is the YouTube mobile app. These two apps, you can get them from Play Store. So if all what you do is, after recording your videos, editing them, you go ahead and use any of these two apps to upload your videos, then you are doing it the wrong way. Let me show you how to do it. Whether you are using your desktop, your PC, your computer, whatever system you want to use, you are going to use the web version of this app, the YouTube Studio app, the web version. So you're going to type into studio.youtube.com. Then you're going to log into your dashboard. You're going to see upload options. And you're going to select one of the upload options. Preferably, I prefer this. I use this, then you upload your video. After uploading your videos, what next? Which leads us to the second point of this video. Like I mentioned when we're starting, uploading videos is number one thing. The moment you upload your video, YouTube picks the video and start working on it, analyzing the video to know the right audience to push it to. So if after uploading it, you went ahead and click public, you've not given YouTube enough time to study your videos, to understand who are in need of this video. Who should I push this video to? So you need to give YouTube that enough time to study your video and understand who to push it to. The day I started implementing this, I started seeing dramatic results. In fact, my impressions started going high. My views increased. I started seeing massive watch time. Why? I've given YouTube enough time to study my video, to know the right audience to push it to. Unlike before, I would just upload and push it to public, and my video will be there looking at me. The question now is, so how can I publish my video the right way? The best way to publish your video the right way is to schedule your videos. Yes, you heard me right, schedule it. And then YouTube have given us some of these features, and these features are so important. You've seen the public, you've seen on list, you've seen private, and you've also seen schedule. Now, this schedule option works very well. The reason is that you are telling YouTube, I have given you this video. Now, take time, analyze this video, and know the right audience to send this video. So what I do is that I schedule my video after editing, uploading, I schedule it to the day I'm publishing. So advisably, if you are the one that pushes video out twice a week, 3 times weekly, right? You can schedule your videos and make it 20, at least give YouTube that benefit of 24 hours to study your videos and understand the concept of your video and who needs this video, so that YouTube can push it to the right people who needs this your video. So this leads us to the next point, which is the watch time strategy. One of the methods you are going to use to increase your watch time is uploading long videos. Now, if your videos is something like 6 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, that is not going to give you enough watch time. And if your video is not able to make people to stay longer, YouTube would assume that people don't enjoy your videos. And that's the reason why you see a lot of people have amazing videos, but because it's short, it's 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, YouTube cannot push it to more people. Reason is they feel like it's too short. Like, people don't stay longer. And you know that YouTube rewards retention. The more people stay on your channel, the more YouTube is happy and ready to push your videos, recommending it to more people who need this your video. So what you are to do as a new content creator or as a new YouTuber who is starting a YouTube channel afresh, spend more time and invest in your video. What I mean by investing in your video is not buying tools, it's not buying materials. It is for you to make sure you have enough value you are giving in that video. Remember, one audience, one topic, one voice, one promise, one message per time. Okay, a lot of monetized account feels like after monetizing your account or after monetizing my account, I don't need any watch hours anymore. Hey, that is a lie. That is the time you have to work times 10. You need to work, like you need to work your energy out. You work every single day to keep the watch hours going high. Without views, you will not have watch hours. The more views you have, the more watch hours that video is going to generate. So spend more time in your video. Now, let me give you an example of a video that can actually make you to stay longer. For example, you could say, 5 things I did while growing up. Listing those 5 things should be able to give you up to 10 to 15 minutes of your video. Make it not just empty listing, make it valuable enough. People will stay and watch and then subscribe, and you also gain more watch hours and they will keep coming for more. So you might not be able to do 15, 10 minutes, 30 minutes video. You can start with 8 minutes video. Is recommended. Okay, it's long enough to make people to stay longer. This leads me to the next point: using tags and hashtags strategically. Most people confuse tags and hashtags. I'm going to explain this. So you see all of these things that you're seeing, these are the hashtags you need to impute in your video, like in your back end, your YouTube studio. So you get in there, go to the upload default, use the upload default and insert all these hashtags to your videos. And also, when you're uploading your videos, ensure you include your tags in your videos. Don't make it too much. It's not in how much hashtags you used in your videos that determines the views you are going to have. It is using it strategically. So in your description, you're going to add hashtags. That is where you are to use your hashtags. All right. Now, go down to the tags. Just go, scroll down to your video, like your settings. When you are trying to upload your video, you're going to see tags. That is where you have to add tags to your, that is relevant to your niche, to your channel. And already mine myself, I've been able to set it up in the back end. That is the upload default. So if you've not done that, go to your back end of your YouTube studio and fix that after watching this video. So when you want to upload, it won't stress you. You just have to upload, put the description, put the title, put the hashtags, and then the tag is already there. Except you want to remove one or you want to add something that is not already there, that is related to what you are talking about, the topic you are talking about. But don't stuff YouTube with a lot of tags, else your views will be stuck. This leads us to the next point, which is almost similar to what I just finished explaining, is setting up your channel. Now I'm going to take you through quickly on how you can set up your channel the right way. First, you need to head over to your YouTube studio, log into your YouTube studio dashboard, right? You're going to see settings. Go down here, click on these settings. It will take you to the settings of your channel. This is like the general settings of your channel. You will have to start imputing all of these things the way you are seeing here. All of these things have functions. Okay, impute them. Remember, you need to verify your account, email and phone number. Make sure you verify it, because that is what is going to make your account not to experience all of these low views. All right, then you click on this advanced eligibility, check is everything tick. If it's not tick, then make sure you verify them if you're eligible. All right, make sure you fix everything with all of these points, so you've been able to know how to upload your videos, how to publish the right way, how to generate more watch time in your videos, how to use tags and hashtags, how to set up your channel the right way. Thank you so much if you watched to this end. I really appreciate you for staying to this time. Okay, I made a video on the mistakes that I made in this channel that leads to my videos to be stuck for like my views got stuck. So if you've not watched this video, please ensure that you watched it. See you in my next video. Bye.